Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kaylee May, and I'm done making excuses. I've missed you guys. I've officially decided that Mondays are my recording days, so that way I can have all week in order to edit these videos and get them up for you guys. I've actually started a new project over this past month, which is building a cyberdeck / photo booth. I don't know. I've kind of started the process, and I do want to make videos regarding all of that so that all of these videos aren't just stupid little yap videos. Once I finish my build, I will definitely have to make a video with all of the parts and everything, but I know nothing about hardware, so I'm starting from ground zero. So I don't know, have you guys been seeing anything about Cyberdecks? Obviously I want mine to be really cool and whimsical and fantasy inspired, so I'm hoping that it'll be a really fun project. I can make some good content out of it, and yeah, it's honestly gotten me super interested in just robotics, mechanical engineering. There's so many crossovers that have to do with it. I don't know if I want to do any of the coding involved with that kind of stuff, because honestly I hated the coding classes that I did, but apparently people are using the Python language, which is the coding language that I have the most experience in. So who knows? I'm gonna focus on building the hardware for my cyberdeck first, and then maybe we can get into the programming later. For now, I'll probably just download other people's programs off of GitHub, but I'm really excited for this new project. I'm gonna focus on making a ton of content for it this week, since the past couple of weeks has been mostly me just like acquiring all the parts that I need for my cyberdeck, and also, like I said, a photo booth that I'm building. I eventually want to build an entire IoT system and like have a smart home, but like controlled by me rather than Alexa, which is what I use right now. You know, you never know with these companies whether they're listening in on you or using your data for something weird, and that's one thing I actually really love about the whole cyberdeck movement, is that it's about returning the power of tech back into the hands of the people, and I think that's just really cool. I think a lot of us can feel very disconnected from technology and the technology that we use, which it didn't used to always be that way. I wasn't around in the 1900s, but apparently anyone that was interested in computers kind of knew a lot about them. But then Apple kind of entered the scene. They kind of closed their computers up, and rather than like the very modular PCs that still exist today, although it's so hard to get RAM, I don't know who's built a PC in the past couple of months and not spent thousands of dollars on it. Regardless, Apple changed the game, right? Now all these laptops are closed, something breaks, you take it into the Apple store to fix it for you. But I don't know if you guys also know about the right to repair movement. This sucks, right? Because it's like something, it could be something so small, and imagine if you could just fix it. So obviously PC gamers and people that build their own PCs have been on this for a while, so definitely is not a new thing. And actually cyberdecks have been around since like the 80s. However, they were kind of relegated to more techie subcultures, I would say, but now it's kind of hitting the mainstream, and I love it. I've been seeing so many crafty girls come across my timeline, and I think that's one thing that I really like about it, is that a lot of people that don't traditionally have an interest in tech are getting into building cyberdecks and learning all of this, and I think that's really cool, because I've obviously been a pretty big tech girly for a lot of my life, mostly interested in video games, but my major was information systems, which is like tech adjacent, even though it's not engineering, okay? But I've just been loving watching how creative people get with their builds, and I think that that's something that I really want to lean into with my build as well, is just coming up with really cool ideas and executing them and making tech feel really cool and whimsical rather than the soulless, industrial, brutalist vibe it can have sometimes. Maybe not brutalist, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right? Like, it's boring. It's boring a little bit. Like, why can't tech be fun again? It is going to be fun again, and the Cyberdeck project is going to be part of it. A big part of the Cyberdeck project as well is recycling technology that you already use. So I've already said my first build, I will be like buying parts for it. I need to start somewhere, and I need to learn with some baby steps, all right? But the eventual goal is that I can use a lot of the old devices, and you know, I have a lot of old streaming equipment that I can use in the future as well, and I want to be like taking these things apart, using the screen from this thing, using some buttons from this thing, and eventually building it into something that's really cool. So the cyberdeck movement is also kind of focused around sustainability, especially because we have so much tech waste. Like, there is no reason to be getting rid of things if they still work, in my opinion. I don't know, I just get really stressed out when it comes to being wasteful or anything like that. So I thought this would be a really good way to repurpose, again, like a lot of my old equipment that I have that I just don't use anymore. And I do plan on documenting all of my progress and sharing it with you guys, hopefully, as well. Regardless, I want to push myself. I want to challenge myself. So anywho, here we are. I'm really excited for this whole new chapter. I've also joined a pottery studio again recently, well, a new pottery studio. So I can potentially be making some more pottery videos as well. And I thought it would be really cool if we could kind of do some crossover. Like I can maybe make some things out of ceramics for my cyberdeck build, but I don't know. We're still starting at square one. So tomorrow is actually the day that I'm going to be hopefully putting everything together, filming a video for you guys, and hopefully making some content this week and next week. I'm really excited. I'm actually hosting a little housewarming party this Friday where I'm inviting a ton of my friends and streamer friends and people to see my new place. So I might be a little preoccupied with that. But I'm overall very excited for this next chapter. I feel like I've really been pushing myself and challenging myself outside of just filming videos, which I know I've been so bad with that, but I'm done. I think I need to just stop being like, oh my god, everything's changing from this video forward. Like I keep doing that, and I feel like maybe that's what's jinxing me. So yeah, I have been actually doing some multi-streams onto this channel now as well. I've been multi-streaming my co-working onto here and hopefully also my cyberdeck building. So if you guys know anything about cyberdeck building, please come to my streams on Tuesdays. I'm going to start doing Techie Tuesdays where I work on my cyberdeck build, or not just my cyberdeck build because that's just a handheld computer, right? But eventually like whatever cyber techie project we want to get into. And I actually went to a maker's fair yesterday, which was really cool. It was like science, innovation, tech, and there was like whole robotics teams there. And once I was seeing all of that, I was like, wait, because ultimately it would be really cool to kind of integrate full builds. Like imagine if I could make like a little robot. That's pretty far in the future though. Okay, we got to start with base one. Like let's maybe see if we can at least make a workable device first. So tune in. That will hopefully be, again, I'll be building these on live streams, but then also filming videos where I can kind of like show what I'm doing. So that way, if maybe hopefully I inspire any of you guys to maybe start getting into the cyberdeck building as well, you can hopefully have good resources through my content. I'll be making Excel spreadsheets where I'll track all of my parts, where I got them, as well as like embedding links into it where it's like, oh, like she said that she's using this part, how did she use it? You can click it and boom, there's a TikTok video of me showing. I don't know. I'm really trying to come up with ways that I can make content that is educational and inspirational, because that is my favorite type of content at the end of the day. But obviously that content is a lot more work than simply setting up my camera and yapping it away with you guys. Oh well, you know, I'm a live streamer at heart, so I'll get this figured out one of these days, but I'm really excited for this. Hopefully I can also start sharing some more of my pottery pieces with all of you guys. I really want to lean into this whole like creativity, innovation, like kind of the bringing together of technology and art, because that is where I oftentimes feel like I sit, you know? I have much more experience in tech stuff than I do with art stuff, but I feel like through me sharing a lot more of my art stuff, people have started to know me as an artsy girl, which is really funny, but I feel like well, I shouldn't say funny. I think that is something that I used to really want. I've always wanted to be perceived as an artsy person, or maybe I shouldn't say perceived, but like I wanted to be an artsy person and hopefully get acknowledgement and recognition for like whatever cool shit I create, right? I don't know if I'm quite there yet, but I'd like to think I'm embarking upon that journey. And the cyberdeck one is going to bring me back into the world of STEM, because honestly, ever since leaving my cybersecurity consulting job, like I do kind of miss being involved in the tech world, especially because it changes and it evolves so fast. Like sometimes I'm like, am I becoming boomer? Like, I don't know, simply working in the tech industry kept me so up to date on everything going on, and now I feel like I've kind of fallen out of the loop. So I'm also hoping to kind of relearn things, get back into it with the Cyberdeck project. I think it'll be really fun, really exciting, and I really want to like push myself and, I don't know, get back into it. And I'm really glad that I can also build off of skills that I already have rather than having to start from scratch and start all over again. So hopefully this will be something really good and exciting, and honestly, it already is. We've already kind of put things together for the most part. Now I need to make it look good. Okay, but I'm glad that we got to have a little yap and catch up. I really look forward to posting more content for you guys, but you know, I don't want to act like it's all going to change after this video as much as I would love it to. So maybe I'll see you guys next week, and hopefully I will. But either way, I'll see you guys on live stream. So if you want to like stop by, get some work done. I don't know if you guys know about co-working or Pomodoro or have heard about it. It's pretty big on Twitch. They have a whole co-working category, but apparently if some people also do it on YouTube, I don't know. I get a lot of people coming in being like, why isn't she talking to us? And I'm like, I'm working, you work, let's body double, let's get shit done together, and then do fun stuff in the evening. I don't know, we're still feeling out the vibes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I really look forward to kind of embarking upon this new cyberdeck journey and also getting more into my pottery and ceramics and sharing that stuff with you guys as well. I'm really going to focus on making like more educational type content, so please comment if you guys ever have any questions on like, how did you make this? How did you do this? That's something I really want to focus on. I don't want to just like push out content slop. Like, I want to contribute something good to the internet because there's enough slop out there, you know. Anywho, like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTuber jazz, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week, but I'll definitely be seeing you guys during my co-working streams, so feel free to come along to those and say hi. Alrighty guys, thanks again, bye!